AI in business, revolutionizing how companies operate and compete. Artificial intelligence, AI, in business refers to the integration of intelligent technologies, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, into various business processes to improve efficiency, decision-making, customer experiences, and innovation. AI is transforming how businesses operate across industries, enabling them to stay competitive in a fast-paced, data-driven world. Key applications of AI in business. Customer service automation. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 customer support, handling inquiries, processing orders, and resolving common issues instantly. This improves customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs. Data analysis and decision-making. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies. Businesses use these insights for strategic planning, market forecasting, and making informed decisions faster than ever before. Sales and marketing optimization. AI helps personalize marketing campaigns, predict customer behavior, and identify high-value leads. Recommendation engines, such as those used by Amazon or Netflix, are prime examples of AI enhancing user engagement and sales. Supply chain and inventory management. AI tools forecast demand, optimize delivery routes, and manage inventory levels in real time. This reduces waste, improves delivery times, and ensures better product availability. Human resources and recruitment. AI streamlines the hiring process by screening resumes, matching candidates with job roles, and even analyzing interview performance. It also supports employee engagement and retention through analytics and predictive tools. Financial operations. From fraud detection and risk assessment to automated bookkeeping, AI is reshaping how companies manage finances. Algorithms detect unusual transactions and suggest cost-saving opportunities. Benefits of AI in business. Increased efficiency. Automates repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Improved accuracy. Minimizes human error in decision-making and analysis. Cost savings. Reduces labor costs and operational overhead. Better customer experience. Offers personalized, fast, and responsive service. Competitive advantage. Enables innovation, faster adaptation, and smarter strategies. Challenges of AI adoption. Despite its benefits, integrating AI into business also comes with challenges. High initial investment. Implementing AI solutions requires significant resources. Data privacy and ethics. Ensuring responsible and secure use of data is essential. Workforce disruption. Automation may lead to job displacement or the need for upskilling. Complexity of implementation. Businesses must align AI with their goals and infrastructure. Industries leading in AI adoption. Retail and e-commerce. Personalized shopping, chatbots, and inventory optimization. Healthcare. Diagnosis support, predictive care, and patient management. Finance. Fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer insights. Manufacturing. Predictive maintenance, quality control, and smart production.